Some police officials are briefing the media that the AIIMS post-mortem will decide whether it is murder or suicide. He goes on to say, and I quote again, how can they, when they did not have the Sushant Singh Rajput body as in the case of Sunanda Pushkar, at most the AIIMS report can show what was done or not done by Dr. Cooper Hospital doctors. Tamal Saha is still with us on this. Tamal, I beg your pardon, Wajiullah, I beg your pardon, is with us. But Kajal, let me come to you on this as well. Kajal, Subramaniam Swamy says and points out that certain police officials, according to him, are briefing some in the media, suggesting that the post-mortem in AIIMS would suggest exactly whether it's murder or suicide. He points out that the AIIMS doctors will not have really the body, never did they have the body, so at most they can tell us what did Cooper Hospital do or what they didn't do.
Well, this is the case with most CBI cases, and perhaps Subramaniam Swamy is trying to clarify this, because the CBI usually comes into a case much later after an initial investigation has been done by whichever competent authority is there. In this case, it was the Mumbai police which took the help of the Cooper Hospital doctors. So he's clarifying a technical point here, saying that the AIIMS doctors cannot produce any new results because they will only have to work with whatever has been available in the autopsy reports and other reports already, because they never got the custody of the body. Now, in certain cases, the CBI has managed to exhume bodies, but in this case, since Sushant Singh Rajput had been cremated, that possibility does not exist. So the CBI will have to rely on the documents that have been produced by the Cooper Hospital and make their conclusions based on that. So the AIIMS panel will also have to do the same.
All right, stay on Kajal, Wajiullah and more.